Hello year 5, this is part 2 video of unit 9 lesson 3. So get ready with the learner's book, page number 130 to 131, activity page 104 to 125. Now again, activity book page 104, activity 3, write sentences giving advice about looking after a hamster. Now how do you give advice? Like it's a best to give him wood to chew his food, or how you can uh, take care, give some idea to it. If you want to get refer, just refer to the listening again and you can get the idea from that. You can write down how to take care. So you need to give your idea from your mind how you will give your idea to take care of the hamster. So write down and send it me on the class dojo. And let's get back to learner's book, page number 131, activity for use of English. Use of must, should, have to, need to. These are the words. Now must, to talk about obligation and necessity, we can use must, should, and other verbs such as have, to, and need to. You should use must. You must give your horse food every day, that you are confirmed that you have to do. And you should, like you have to. You should clean it when it is dirty. Remember to add to after need and have. For after every need or have, you need to use, write down to. You have to give your horse fresh water every day. You need to look after their teeth. So these are the words you need to write down. So you use it: must, should, have to, and need to. So now advice for a hamster's owner. So you need to write down and put the words below in order. So you need to write down in the correct order. If there is have or need, you need to use to. Okay, you need to use to. So now there's number one. I give you one example. Feed your hamster, you must, every day. So how you write it? You must feed your hamster every day. So look, if there is need, you need to. Yes. So I want you to write down in your copybook. Try to write by yourself and check your answer in the next slide. Now let's go to activity book now, page number 105. Use of English again. Read the online information about having a parrot as a pet and complete the sentences with the word from the use of English box. Now they have written about the parrot, how to have a parrot as a pet, and you need to complete the sentences. You need to read it and complete the sentences. So I'm going to read for you, then you will do it by yourself and complete the sentence with must, should, need to, and have to. Okay. If you are thinking about having a parrot for a pet, then read this information carefully before buying one. First of all, it's important to buy a cage which is big enough for the parrot to move around in. It's a good idea to buy toys for it to play with, and it's very important that it has plenty of food such as fruit, vegetables, and nuts every day. Don't forget that it needs fresh water too. It's good idea to wash your parrot once a week, and it's best to visit the vet to cut their claws when they are long. So this is how you, if you want a parrot, how the things you need to take care of it. So you know you need to complete the sentences now. The down. So like, you have to buy a cage big enough for the parrot to move around. So you need to use now must, should, need to, I have to. However, it's possible. So you need to write your own. You need to write down must, have to, need to, or should. So let me see how you'll use that sentences in the blanks. So if once you finish, just check your answer in the next slide. Now again, activity book, page number 105, challenge. Write your own blog about looking after a pet in your notebook. Draw a picture of it and write advice about how to look after it. Now, what kind of animal you suggest to keep as a pet, and what are the suggestions you give? Okay, what are suggestion how to keep your animal, what type of cage you need to buy, how to keep clean, how much you have to feed, when you have to take to the pet. So you need to draw a picture, and plus you need to write your suggestion, give ideas how to, if you are buying a pet, how to keep him, okay, him or her. So same thing, if you want to get idea, go to activity 4 about the parrot and get the example of it and write it about your own pet, if you want to suggest anyone to keep as a pet. Okay, and send me the answer. You need to write down in a copybook. Once you finish, send me the answer in the class dojo. Send me the picture. And thank you so much for listening, year 5. So once you finish, please send me all your answers on the class studio. Click picture and send it to me. And thank you so much once again. If you have any doubt, please send me on class studio or on my email.